truth of reality. This article aims to explain to those interested in studying the Buddha's teachings how an awakened mind understands the truth and breaks free from ignorance, which is part of the continuous cycle of birth and death in human life. Even when the mind awakens to the truth as realized by the Buddha, it remains trapped within the cycle of birth and death, experiencing the 5 aggregates, khandhas. These aggregates present sensory experiences to the mind automatically, much like a computer program. The mind must face these experiences until life comes to an end. Although the mind may awaken to the truth, it still remains within the cycle of birth and death, encountering the various conditions of life. The mind continues to be influenced by ignorance, the root cause of suffering in human existence. Ignorance acts like a demon, deceiving the mind into clinging to things that are not real, such as desire, anger, and delusion. These are all manifestations of the defilements, kilesas, that control the mind. The Buddha taught that liberation from suffering and escaping the control of defilements and ignorance requires practice. This includes cultivating mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom so that the mind can recognize and avoid being enslaved by ignorance. The Buddha's teachings encourage letting go and not attaching to the things that arise in life. Studying the Buddha's teachings is not only about understanding the truth he realized, but also about training the mind to be aware of suffering and to escape it. This can be done by following the Buddha's guidance on mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom, which help the mind to recognize and overcome defilements and ignorance. In the conclusion of this story, we see that even those who hear the Buddha's teachings and understand the Dharma have different levels of ability to access it, depending on the state of their minds. Some people may quickly understand, while others may not believe or understand right away. However, everyone can learn and understand the Dharma according to the readiness of their minds, and they can help spread the teachings to others. Therefore, understanding and practicing the Buddha's teachings is a process that requires time and effort. But once the mind awakens and can see the truth, it will eventually be freed from suffering.